Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Bybit app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the assets icon at bottom right corner and all of your available assets will be displayed. Now, tap on the deposit icon at the left side of your screen and a pop-up will slide up. Inside it, there will be a bunch of options that you can choose from. Simply tap on the first one and you will be prompted to enter the amount you want to deposit. You can also change the currency by tapping on this icon and selecting Bitcoin. Once selected, you can either the amount or again change the currency of the assets you will be paying in. In my case, I will select Euro and then enter an appropriate amount. Once you are done with all of that, tap on the next button and then you will be prompted to select the payment method. You can select any one of them and then you will be asked to enter the required details for the method selected. Simply enter the information and continue with the payment to buy the crypto. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.